Hey guys, welcome back to the Slime Sisters. I'm Cora, and today we're going to be making some slime. I already poured the glue because it took a long time to get out, and I already poured some of the pink in, but I couldn't get that much pink out, so it's mostly just a little bit bright purple. So let's add some activator, and I added less borax in the water, so it wasn't activating, and I was very confused about that. Okay. So let's hope this is activated. If it's not, I can always add more because I have it ready. Come on. Oh, this is 100% activated. Because it is mixing perfectly. It's acting like... Yep, this is activated. It might have been a lot of weight. I'm glad I got some napkins because I'm not going to spill this everywhere. But I forgot to bring the trash can down. Okay, yep, this is slime now. It's overactivated. No worries. I can always make some more slime. But that's all for today, guys. Yeah, bye. I'm joking. Okay, let's get it nice and okay, let's get this nice and kneaded, doughed. Don't know how these people say it now these days. But because this is very rippy, I told myself I wouldn't add any snow in this time, but it really needs it. Just a little, just the tiniest bit ever. And it's sticky, but it's rippy. Sorry, that's my hamster. I was like, what is that? And then I'm like, oh, that's my hamster. Hi, Hammy. It's sticking to the mat. That's not good. Okay, does it stick to the table? No, it doesn't stick to table. Weird. It's probably the mat situation. This is sticky on the outside. I feel like there's glue on the inside, but there's no. Yeah, it's help. I don't know what to do with this. It's stretching a lot more, but I just sticky. It's very sticky. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to add snow. No. Wait, it's actually softer than enough. It doesn't feel that sticky on the outside. As you can tell. Well, I think the snow's actually helping it. That's a good thing. But I think it's a good part to stop here. Go watch, this is part 1, so go watch part 2 in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and comment down a snowflake emoji or anything snow related. Bye guys!